Hi, I'm Jamie. That's Jerry. And this is OneWriter in 5 minutes. And the subject of this video is tags in OneWriter. This is our 6th video on OneWriter, and we're proud to share it with you. And if you happen to be joining us for the first time, we highly recommend you watch our first 2 videos, an introduction to OneWriter Part 1 and Part 2. However, this video is a great way to learn about OneWriter. So if you're interested in trying a new and useful writing app, you can use OneWriter for free right now by going to onewriter.app. Now, let's get into using tags in OneWriter. And don't forget to stick around because in about 2 minutes, Jerry is going to present the word of the day. Now we'll continue with our deeper dive into exploring OneWriter's features that can bring efficiency and productivity gains to your writing process. This video will focus on tags in OneWriter. And to be more specific, since OneWriter is a data management application, when we say tags, we mean metadata tags that you can apply to your writing. So let's review how tags work in OneWriter and how you can take advantage of them. OneWriter, it's a word processor and a spreadsheet in one app. Let's jump right into this. And to start, we'll open a fresh project in the application. Open Chrome browser and navigate to onewriter.app. We'll enter the email address and click the button labeled Start Writing. Now we'll see OneWriter with a fresh new project for us to work on, and our project has one card. In OneWriter, tags are a super feature because they make it possible to manage your writing projects by combining the typing style of a word processing application with the organizing power of a spreadsheet application. Let's navigate over to the third column of our card and find the text Apply tag, and let's give it a click. This will open the card's tag manager. Let's take a moment to see what we've revealed. The manager specifies it's for card 1, which matches the unique ID of this project's first card. And there's also 2 elements in the manager menu, Apply tags and Available tags. However, it appears there aren't any tags to select. And we can validate that by looking at the badges to the left of the descriptions. Both badges have the number 0 in them. To close the menu, move the cursor over the X in the upper right-hand corner and click it, or just click anywhere outside the menu. Now let's navigate up to the top of the interface's top right suite of buttons and find the button labeled Tags. And we can observe it's got a badge too, but no numbers yet. Next, click the Tags button and you'll notice that a new menu called Tags Library Manager has been revealed on the right side of the interface. There's a badge at the top of the menu here too, also displaying a 0. Just under the menu's title is a text field labeled New Tag Name, and we can type into that field. So let's do that by moving our cursor over that element and clicking into it. Now, let's type a new tag name, such as Tag 1. Then, right below the text field, click the green button that's labeled Save Tag. Now we've created and saved our first tag for our project. Notice the badge in the menu title turned gold and now displays the number 1. We can also observe the badge, labeled Tags, at the top of the interface has also earned a number in its badge. For good measure, let's create a second badge. So to do that, click into the text field labeled New Tag Name again, and then type another tag name. We'll call this tag Tag 2, and then we'll click the Save Tag button again. Now we've got 2 tags in the Library Manager. We can also see the badge number in the menu has been updated to the number 2. And the badge number at the top of the interface has been updated as well. And let's try one more thing before we move on to start using these tags. Let's edit one of the tag's names. We'll move the mouse over the first tag in the library and select the name in the first text field, and we'll change it to read First Tag. Everything looks good, so let's close the Tag Library Manager for now. We can always return to it at any time we want to add, delete, or edit tags. Now, returning to our card, let's go back to the label that reads Apply a Tag and give it another click. This time, when we reveal the Tag Manager menu for card 1, we can see we have some tags we can work with. The menu indicates that there are 0 tags applied and that there are 2 tags available. So let's apply a tag to our card. We'll move the cursor over the tag labeled First Tag and give it a click. Now it's been moved from Available to Applied. Now that we've applied a tag, let's close the menu and see what else has changed. We can see that the card's tag badge has turned gold and has the number 1 in it, indicating that one tag has been applied to the card. And where we previously saw the label apply a tag, we can now observe the name of the tag we applied to the card. Now, let's explore what else we can do with the tags we created. Let's create a second card in our project. And then in our second card, let's open its tag manager. Once again, we can see that this fresh card has two tags available to be applied. This time, let's apply both tags to the card. Next, we'll close the tag manager, and now we can see in our second card that its badge has the number 2, and the names of the two tags we applied to our second card are listed. Applying tags to cards in a project makes it easy to identify and group cards by categories and other types of criteria. In a follow-up video, we'll demonstrate how to apply filters to the view of your project to hide and show cards based on the tags you've applied. And now it's time for Jerry's word of the day. And the word of the day is, with respect to meta, beyond. That's right, meta originated as a Greek word that translates to beyond. Fun fact, in Latin, a meta refers to a post that marks a turn or an end on a racetrack. Now that we've shared more of OneWriter's special features, we hope you'll give OneWriter a try. Just go to onewriter.app to give it a try for free right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.